Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to retract a bid in eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to retract a bid on eBay, what you need to understand is you can only retract a bid under certain conditions, such as you enter the wrong bid amount, the seller changed the listing, or you cannot reach the seller. Now, next is to sign into your account by simply heading over and opening up the eBay application or open ebay.com on your PC and then sign in with your account. Then once signed in, what you need to do is tap on My eBay option on the bottom of your screen, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select bids and offers. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is locate the item where you want to retract your bid, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply click on the bid and you'll find an option that says retract bid next to the item. Simply tap on that and eBay will show conditions and ask for a reason. Now choose a reason by selecting one of the valid options like enter wrong amount, seller changed the listing, and unable to contact seller. Now next step is to confirm the retraction. Simply click retract bid or submit, and once you are done, your bid is removed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.